Hi everyone, it's Kaylee. I'm going to be talking about our Palm Mitchell Forever Blonde system. It comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and the dramatic repair spray, leave-in spray. This system together helps keep our blondies nice, bright, beautiful blonde and repairs and keeps it healthy. The Forever Blonde shampoo adds hydration as well as repairs damage and seals the cuticle down from lightening services. The conditioner also hydrates using the Care Active proteins that's in all of these products from the Forever Blonde system. The Dramatic Repair Spray is an awesome leave-in for literally anyone. I use it on probably all my blondes in the salon. It adds hydration, strengthens, replenishes all the good proteins that you need in your hair after lightening, and it's just an overall good leave-in. And like I said before, it smells really, really nice. So next time if you're in and you're looking for a new system to try out, I would definitely recommend the Forever Blonde.